now sum number 4 of practice set 5.3. They have given the vertices, coordinates of the vertices of the triangle, that is A is 1 minus 1, B is 0, 4, C is minus 5 and 3 are the vertices of triangle. We have to find out the slope of each side. So we will find out the slope of line AB, line BC and line AC. Now we know that slope of line is what? Y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That is 4 minus minus 1 upon 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1. So that's equal to 4 plus 1 upon minus 1, that's equal to 5 upon minus 1. So that's equal to how much? Minus 5. Now we will find out BC, that is 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4 upon minus 5 minus 0, minus 5 minus 0, that's equal to 3 minus 4 is how much? Minus 1 upon minus 5. So that's equal to 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5. Now slope of line AC is what? 3 minus into minus 1 upon minus 5 minus 1. So that's equal to 3 plus 1 upon minus 5 minus 1 is how much? Minus 6. That's equal to 3 plus 1 is how much? 4 upon minus 6. So that's equal to, this will go in 2's table. So that's equal to minus 2 upon 3. So slope of line AB, BC and AC are what? Minus 5, 1 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 3. Sum number 5. Coordinates of A, B, C, D are given. We have to find out whether A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. We had done the same sum in practice at 5.1. In that we used to find out distance AB, distance BC, distance CD and distance AD, and then find out whether they are parallelogram, whether it's a parallelogram or not. We can show the same sum by finding out the slope also. By finding out the slope also we can prove whether the ABCD is a vertices of a parallelogram. Now slope of a line is what? Y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So AB, first we'll find out slope of line AB, that is 2 minus into minus 7 upon minus 1 minus into minus 4. So that's equal to 2 plus 7 upon minus 1 plus 4. So that's equal to how much? 9. Minus 1 upon 1 plus 4 is how much? 3. That's equal to 3 upon 1. It goes in 3's table, so that's equal to 3. Now slope of line BC. BC is what? 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 upon 8 minus into minus 1. So that's equal to 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. And 8 plus 1. So that is equal to how much? 3 upon 9. That's equal to 1 upon 3. So this is 1 upon 3. Let us take this as 1 and this as 2. Now we will find out line C, slope of line CD, that is minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 minus 5 upon 5 minus 8, 5 minus 8, that's equal to minus 9 upon minus 3. It goes in 3's table. So that is equal to how much? 3. The minus sign will get eliminated. Now AD, that is minus 4 minus into minus 7 minus into minus 7 upon 5 minus into minus 4 minus into minus 4. So that is equal to minus 4 plus 7 upon 5 plus 9. That's equal to 5 plus 4. That's equal to 3 upon 9. It goes in 3's table. So that is equal to 1 upon 3. Let this be 3 and let this be 4. Now if you compare 1 and 3. So from 1 and 3 what we get? Slope of line AB is equal to slope of line CD. Therefore line AB is parallel to line CD. Similarly, if you see 2 and 4, 2 from 2 and 4, what we get? Slope of line BC, both are equal, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3. So slope of line BC is equal to slope of line AD Therefore line BC is parallel to line AD. Therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. So by this method, by finding out the slope also, we can find out whether quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, or by distance formula also we can find out whether ABCD is a parallelogram. Now we have to find out the value of K. R they have given 1 minus 1 and S is what? Minus 2 and K, and slope of line RS is already given, that is equal to minus 2, and we have to find out the value of K. Now slope of line RS is what? Y2 minus Y1 upon X2 minus X1, that is slope of line RS we already know, that is how much? Minus 2. So K minus into minus 1 upon minus 2 minus 1. So minus 2 is equal to K plus 1 upon minus 3. Take the minus 3 on this side. So what you'll get? Minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to K plus 1. Now minus 2 into minus 3 is how much? 6 is equal to K plus 1. Bring the 1 on this side. What you'll get? 6 minus 1 is equal to K. Therefore K is equal to how much? 5. So the value of K is how much? 5. Now sum number 7, the coordinates of B is given K minus 5 and coordinates of C is what? 1 upon 1 and 2, and slope of line BC is 7. We have to find out the value of K. Slope of line BC is equal to what? Y2 minus Y1 upon X2 minus X1. Slope of line BC is 7. Y2 minus Y1 is what? 2 minus into minus 5 upon 1 minus K. 1 minus K. Now bring this 1 minus K on this side. You'll get 7 into 1 minus K is equal to 2 plus 5. That is 7. 1 minus K is equal to 7. 1 minus K is equal to 7. Bring the 7 below. Both will get cancelled. That is 1. So 1 minus K is equal to 1. Take the minus K on this side and bring this 1 on this side. When you bring this 1 on this side, it will become 1 minus 1, and minus K when it goes on the other side, it will become plus K. So K is equal to 0. So what is the value of K? 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now sum number 8, they have given PQ is parallel to RS and the coordinates of P, Q, R, S is given, and S is what? 5 and K. So we have to find out the value of K, and we know that slope of line is what? Y2 minus Y1 upon X2 minus X1. Now they have given PQ is parallel to RS, so slope of line PQ we will find out, that is equal to PQ, that is 6 minus 4 upon 3 minus 2, so that is equal to 6 minus 4 is how much? 2 upon 1, so that's equal to 2. So slope of line PQ is what? 2. Now slope of line RS we have to find out. RS is equal to what? RS, that is K minus 1 upon 5 minus 3, so that's equal to K minus 1. 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. Now we know that slope of line PQ is parallel to RS, that is already given. Therefore slope of line PQ should be equal to slope of line RS. Now what we have got? Slope of line PQ, that is 2. So 2 is equal to what we got? Slope of line RS, K minus 1 upon 2. K minus 1 upon 2. Take this 2 on this side, so we'll get 2 into 2 is equal to K minus 1. 2 into 2 is how much? 4 is equal to K minus 1. Bring this minus 1 on this side, you'll get 4 plus 1 is equal to K. Therefore K is equal to how much? K is equal to 5.